Reviving the Ancient Wisdom, the story of Nalanda University. Welcome to the story of Nalanda University, a beacon of ancient wisdom and a symbol of India's rich educational heritage. Nestled in Rajgir, Bihar, Nalanda University was once the epicenter of learning and culture in Asia. Imagine traveling back in time to the 5th century. The revered Buddhist monastery, Nalanda Mahavihara, was a thriving hub of scholars and students from all over Asia. Among them were Chinese monks Xuanzang and Yijing, who journeyed here between the 7th and 8th centuries, bringing back with them the profound knowledge and teachings of Nalanda. Fast forward to 2010. The Indian government, with the support of 18 ASEAN member countries, embarked on an ambitious project to revive this ancient university. Established at a cost of 1,800 crores rupees, $210 million, the new Nalanda University spans over 485 acres and stands as one of India's largest educational institutions. Our vision is to emulate the spirit of the ancient Nalanda. We focus on interdisciplinary studies and research-intensive programs, offering master's and doctoral courses in various fields. What sets the new Nalanda University apart is its commitment to sustainability. It is the first in India to implement a net zero eco-recycling strategy, ensuring minimal environmental impact. Nalanda's legacy is deeply rooted in history. The original university was established by the Gupta Empire and flourished under the patronage of the Pala dynasty. However, it faced destruction 3 times, with the final blow dealt by Muhammad Bakhtiar Khalji's troops. Yet, its ruins still tell a story of resilience and intellectual prowess. In recognition of its historical significance, the ruins of Nalanda Mahavihara were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2016. This honor underscores its enduring influence on global education and culture. The revived Nalanda University continues to attract scholars from around the world, fostering a global community of learning and cultural exchange. Just as in ancient times, it remains a melting pot of ideas and knowledge. Nalanda University is not just an institution, it's a living testament to the timeless pursuit of knowledge. As we look to the future, Nalanda stands as a bridge between the ancient and the modern, continuing its legacy of enlightenment and wisdom. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from history.